Hey guys, what is up? Back with another video. It is me, Chloe, and my sister Molly. So today we will be showing you, me and Molly will be showing you all of our accounts. So let's get started. So obviously, as you see, this is my account. Yeah, I love it so much, and this is also Molly's account.
Yeah, this is my
Molly's account. Yeah. Molly's with me right now. I think I've told you that
Yeah,
already.
I'm right here.
Yeah. And this is also my account. Molly has same kind of like this, but yeah. And I have that tab open. And oh yeah, guys, I found her. This is Molly's account. This is her. That used to be my own phone. Yeah. And guys, I gotta show you something.
That's their old account that got hacked.
Yeah, guys, this used to be my old account. And it's like, I'm so sad because the girl hacked me, changing my email. If you can, please add this girl and hack her back and give it to me, please, guys. But I really miss that account. Yeah, guys, them pants just like
They make your butt look big.
Yeah, they make your butt look big. So, this is Molly's account. Molly's boy account. Yeah.
And I might be getting VIP on it.
Yeah. Oh, guys. Yeah. She is like, she's my best friend.
She's so nice.
She's the funniest, kindest, best person ever. So guys, stop what you are doing right now and go on at this girl. She is the best. She is just so helpful. She's there when I need her the most, and she's like the best. Also, another account. This is also my account. Yeah. Y'all know I'm a pet. Guys, go and add this one as well and give it greets, please. Guys, add my main pretty girl, and that's my, you know. She was VIP. Oh yeah, MSP girl. What the hell? I'm just thinking, guys, I don't know if I should like do this. Wait, how much do I need left? 50,000. You can get it on here. Yeah, I don't think so. So guys, I am not gonna do that. Let's check my piggy bank. 88. Right, I'm just gonna like empty that. Why is that so loud? Like, you know. Whoa, stop it with the loudness. Guys, I cannot wait for this.
Oh yeah, and Real Week is coming.
Yeah. Check this out.
There is a short, there is a shirt.
Guys, check this out. Come on. Guys, look at this. What's coming?
And then that shirt has loads of hers on it.
Yeah. Ruin's coming! Ah, so excited, like, can't hold in my excitement. I mean, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna buy all of the rose.
Yeah, same.
I'm saving up all my money.
Yeah, same. So yeah, guys, I am gonna decorate my room. Molly is gonna help me, and I feel like it's like, wait, look at that. Billy. Guys, this is Billy, my pet. Feeding chicken. I won this from the Halloween thing. Yeah, I won this from the Halloween quest. Yeah, I think so. Molly, did you get anything from? Have you ever got a pet from these quests?
No, but I have like loads of pets in my room. So if anyone wants money, 3-star coins, then go to my room.
Yeah.
I've got lots.
I've only got one pet, guys. So yeah, it'll be better going to Molly's room.
I've got like 10 pets in my room, but I've got 11 pets in total.
Yeah. So guys, me and Molly will be doing mail time soon. So if you can, please,
Send gifts to both
send
our
gifts,
accounts.
greets, please.
To both of our accounts.
Yeah, you can send gifts to me, obviously, or Molly. Oh yeah, this is Molly's boyfriend.
Or shout out to him.
Yeah,
He's the best ever. He gives loads of grief.
Look at that status though.
Innit?
He gave Molly 25 greets once. It just spoils her so much. Like, so, guys, yeah, that will be the end of the video. Bye, guys. Love you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But before we leave the video, shout outs. So, today's shout outs go to this girl. She is nice.
We're giving shout outs to like loads of people every day.
She Safari 5701. She is also really nice.
Yeah, she gave us loads of grief.
And shout out to this girl, Wolfie. She's so nice. 4 is a 4. Sorry guys. Do you want to come on YouTube or not? Come on. Profile.
Oh, look at that.
Guys, she is also a YouTuber. Recording mail time, send gifts for a shout out.
So yeah, send gifts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys. If whenever you send us a gift for mail time or a greet or an autograph, you get a shout out. And if you also if you say hi to YouTube, you get a shout out. So any of them you get a shout out.
Doing mail time. Please help out. Guys, I'm just like not spamming people, but mail time.
Thank you for those who have subscribed to us so far.
Help out.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's so laggy. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. Bye. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye.